How much does an oil change cost? Even a complete novice in the automotive industry is aware of the dangers of skipping an oil change. The simplest of all basic maintenance procedures, the oil change, has given rise to numerous inquiries. So, let's learn about the oil change cost. The cost of an oil change is determined by a variety of variables. This is the ideal time to read your owner's manual if you haven't in a while, or ever. You'll find out exactly what the car manufacturer advises for oil changes. These are the main determinants of oil change price, and they differ from vehicle to vehicle. An oil change can cost anywhere from $20 and $100 at a lube shop, or between $30 and $45 if you do it yourself. Several variables, such as the following, can be blamed for the substantial price difference: year, make, and model of your vehicle. Larger vehicles will require more oil than the standard 4 to 5 quarts used in an oil change, and manufacturers may advise using a particular, and more expensive, type of oil for a luxury automobile. Utilized oil type: full synthetic oil is at the top end and has additional additives to safeguard an automobile's engine. The most affordable oil is conventional, and in the middle are synthetic blends, which are combinations designed to offer some of the advantages of synthetic oil at a cheaper cost. Your geographic location: the price of an oil change, which includes labor costs, might vary depending on where you live. Expect to pay more for the service if you live in a location with a higher cost of living. Even within the same city, prices can range amongst branches of the same chain store. As with the majority of auto maintenance and repairs, the price is variable. Some engines can hold a lot more oil than others, and synthetic oil is more expensive than traditional oil. For instance, the little inline-4 in a first-generation Mazda Miata will require about 3.4 gallons, whereas the 3.0-liter diesel in a W123 Mercedes-Benz 300D will need between 7 and 8 quarts. Along with the price of the gold and slippery stuff, you'll also need to budget money for an oil filter and any labor fees charged by the shop. You would anticipate paying a little more at a dealer for everything mentioned above, but we discovered that's not always the case. Don't be shocked if an oil change with filter replacement costs $75, as premium synthetic oil alone can cost between $20 and $30 for a 5-quart bottle. We examined 4 oil change locations near our Ann Arbor, Michigan office, one of them a dealer, to validate that price range. The cost of an oil and filter change ranged from $71 at one oil change shop that offered a discount voucher to $84 at another oil change location when we used a fake 2018 Mazda MX-5 Miata that utilizes synthetic oil as our pricing tester. The merchant quoted a price of $75. Modern petroleum engineering has allowed some automakers to recommend oil changes every 10,000 miles or more. No matter what the mechanic at Peppy Lube Guys and their literature claim, it's always safe to follow the rules and believe the automaker. Keep in mind that they designed your car in the first place, so it's in their best interest for it to function properly for as long as possible. Having said that, do not let yourself be duped into changing your oil more regularly than is absolutely essential, no matter how crucial clean oil can be for the longevity of an engine. Your windshield's corner has a small valve GIF in PEP sticker that says you should replace your oil every 3,000 miles. That 3,000-mile interval is typically pointless and outright wasteful. Most cars can go between 7,500 and 10,000 miles between oil changes, which also involve changing the oil filter when they are driven under typical circumstances. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.